Hi, Kimberly here. I just had wrapping done because our bedside table and drawers, it has a scratch on it, but it's still in a good condition. So I have decided to go for wrapping instead, and I never regret to go for wrapping because it turns out looking new. And I'm so happy that I found Touchstone Wrapping Company because they did an amazing job. The workmanship that they provide is outstanding. It has exceeded my expectations in every way. So if you guys are on a budget and if you have furniture that you wanted to give it a makeover, I would highly recommend Touchstone Wrap. They're the best.